How to pair your AirPods Pro or the Pro 2 or 3 with your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So first, on your Samsung phone, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on connections, then tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then on your AirPods Pro, simply open up the case, and at the back here there is a button you want to press and hold onto that round button right here. So press and hold until the white start to flashes in white. Immediately on your phone you can see it shows AirPods Pro, so tap on that and then your phone should be able to pair. Now tap on the pair button. And that's it. Once it is paired, it will show the battery information. So you can tap on the settings icon. In here, you can choose to turn on or turn off calls and audio. You can also choose the audio type. And here, if I tap on it, I can disconnect or connect it again. So once you have already paired with your AirPods Pro, you can simply quickly tap on it to disconnect or reconnect. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.